gonna reveal a secret of how you can speak English in 1 month, and I'm gonna tell you about that how you can start and speak English fluently like a native speaker in 1 month. You just have to start by reading any newspaper, and first you have to build up the vocabulary. You have to read a newspaper, you have to underline the difficult words which you are feeling that are difficult for you, and then you have to watch on the sentence structure. जब आप उस सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर बनाना सीख लेंगे तो इट वुड बी ईजी फॉर यू to understand the listening when you are listening any movie or any BBC News or CNN or whatever, then you will understand. But I'll suggest you that when you are going to listen, जब आप सुनना start करें तो first you have to watch a movie with the subtitles. सबटाइटल्स ये है कि आप जब सबटाइटल्स के साथ देखना शुरू करेंगे, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम टू अंडरस्टैंड द एक्सेंट ऑफ द ब्रिटिश एंड अमेरिकन, सो यू आर गोना लिसन फॉर हाफ आवर 1 hour, so but you will not understand. So in starting, when you will watch the movie with the subtitles, it will be easy for you and you're going to improve day by day by listening that movie. So I'll suggest you to start listening for just at least half an hour or 45 minutes or whatever you can take time, and then you will see after 1 month a great improvement in your speaking English. So listening is the secret of speaking English fluently in 1 month.